A few months ago, my cousin bought a brand new car. He was proud of it, showing it off to everyone, yet he had no idea it had a hidden feature where all the windows could roll down with just a single press of his car key. One day I showed him, and he was stunned. It felt like unlocking a secret cheat code in a video game. And here's the things, almost every car has features like this. Features that most drivers never notice, let alone use. That made me wonder how many of us are missing out on hidden tricks that could make driving easier, safer, or even cooler. Today, I'll count down 15 hidden car features you probably don't know about. Did you know that 99% of people who watch our videos never subscribe? If you're part of that 99%, take a second to change it today. Your one click helps us grow and brings you even more car insights. Stick with me until the end, because number one could literally save your life. 15. The secret sun visor extension. The sun visor in your car isn't as simple as it looks. Most people only flip it down or sideways, but many cars hide a sliding panel inside the visor that extends it further. This little extension is designed to block those sneaky sun rays that slip through the gap between your visor and rearview mirror. It's such a small detail, but it can save you from squinting and straining your eyes during long drives. Some premium cars even have an additional fold-out section hidden inside. Once you know this trick, you'll never look at your visor the same way again. Quick question. Do you think you've ever used your visor to its full potential? Probably not. 14. Gas tank arrow on dashboard. How many times have you pulled up to a gas station and forgotten which side your fuel cap is on? Most people lean out the window or hop out of the car just to check. But the secret is right there on your dashboard. Next to the fuel pump icon on your gauge cluster, there's usually a tiny arrow. That arrow points directly to the side where your fuel door is located. It's a genius design hidden in plain sight. Rental car drivers love this trick because it saves them the embarrassment of pulling up on the wrong side. Imagine how many years you've been driving without realizing your car was quietly helping you all along. 13. The secret key. Inside your key fob. Modern smart key fobs seem like they're 100% electronic, but they actually have a hidden old-school feature. Inside almost every fob is a tiny mechanical key tucked away under a latch or button. Most owners never notice it until their battery dies and they're locked out. This hidden key can unlock your doors, glove box, and even trunk in emergencies. Some cars even have a disguised keyhole hidden under a cover near the handle, just for this purpose. Think about it, you're never truly locked out, but only if you know this secret. Did you ever check if your fob hides a backup key? 12. Rain sensing wipers. You've probably seen your wipers adjust speed when rain gets heavy, but did you know it might not be you controlling them? Many cars have tiny infrared or optical sensors mounted on the windshield that detect raindrops. These sensors automatically trigger the wipers and adjust their speed depending on rainfall intensity. It feels futuristic, but most drivers don't even know their car has it. Some even keep switching wipers manually without realizing automation exists. In higher-end models, the sensitivity can even be adjusted in your settings. Would you trust your car to wipe the windshield perfectly on its own? Or are you the type who prefers total control? 11. Double lock safety system. Here's a feature that sounds like something straight out of a spy thriller. The double lock. When you press your key fob lock button twice in quick succession, many cars activate a system that prevents the doors from being opened from the inside. Why? To stop thieves from breaking a window, reaching in, and pulling the door handle. It's an extra layer of protection most drivers never use or don't even know exists. The system was originally designed in Europe where car theft was a big issue, but now it's common in many models. Next time you lock up at night, try it, you'll hear a slightly different click when it activates. Feels like James Bond, doesn't it? 10. Secret trunk release lever. Did you know your car trunk has an escape route? Inside most modern vehicles, there's a glow-in-the-dark handle or latch designed to open the trunk from the inside. It might look like a strange little lever with a stick figure running, but it's a safety feature required by law in many countries. It's there so no one, especially children, can get accidentally trapped. Most drivers never notice it until someone points it out. Hopefully, you'll never have to use it, but just knowing it's there could make all the difference. The next time you're unloading groceries, take a quick look You'll find it glowing faintly in the dark. 9. Automatic window drop for doors. Here's something you might have seen but never noticed. In many cars, especially coupes and luxury vehicles, the window slightly lowers itself when you open the door. Just a centimeter or so, then it seals back up when you close it. This isn't a glitch, it's a feature. It prevents strain on the rubber seals and helps equalize cabin pressure, making the door easier to open and close. Without it, your doors would feel stiff, and over time, your seals might wear out faster. Tiny engineering details like this make a big difference in comfort and durability. Have you ever caught your car doing this little trick? Y8 turn signal lane change tap. You don't always need to fully press your indicator stalk when changing lanes. Many cars have a hidden tap feature. Push the stalk lightly, and your signal blinks exactly 3 times before shutting off automatically. It's perfect for quick lane changes on highways. Most people never realize this and keep clicking it down fully, then awkwardly switching it off afterward. It's one of those small hidden upgrades that feels incredibly satisfying once you know it. Now I have to ask, are you a full indicator driver, or will you admit you're guilty of skipping signals entirely sometimes? Q7 Rearview Mirror Night Mode. You've probably noticed a small lever or tab at the bottom of your rearview mirror. Most people think it's just for adjusting the mirror angle, but in reality, it activates night mode. By flipping it, the mirror tilts slightly to reduce the glare from headlights behind you. It doesn't block the view, it simply dims the reflection, making night driving much easier on your eyes. In newer cars, this function is automatic using electrochromic glass, which darkens itself when it senses bright lights. Either way, it's a feature designed to save your vision, and most drivers never touch it. Have you been ignoring this lifesaver all along? The 6 cabin air recirculation trick. That little button on your AC panel with a looping arrow is more powerful than you think. When activated, it recirculates the air already inside your cabin instead of pulling in air from outside. That means if you're stuck in heavy traffic, behind a smoky bus, or driving through polluted areas, you can instantly protect your lungs by switching it on. But here's the hidden trick. Use it only for short bursts. If you leave it on too long, oxygen levels drop and the cabin gets stuffy. Smart use of this button can literally improve your health while driving. How often do you actually press it? 5 Headlight Delay Timer. Walking away from your car at night can feel eerie, especially in a dark parking lot. That's where the hidden headlight delay feature comes in. Many vehicles allow you to program your headlights to stay on for 30 to 60 seconds after you lock the car. It's called Follow Me Home lighting, and it's meant to light your path safely until you're indoors. Most people don't even realize their car has this, even though it's just a simple setting in the menu or activated by pulling the stalk once after turning the car off. Next time you're walking home in the dark, this tiny feature could make you feel like your car is watching your back. 4. Tire Pressure Reset Button. Modern cars are equipped with TPMS tire pressure monitoring systems that warn you when your tires are low. But here's the catch. Even after inflating your tires, the light often stays on. That's because most systems require a reset using a small hidden button, usually under the steering column or inside the glove box. Hold it down until the light flashes and your system recalibrates itself. Thousands of drivers pay mechanics just to fix this, not realizing the button is right there. Learning this simple trick can save you both money and time. Have you ever driven for weeks with that annoying light on? 3 Hidden Power Outlets. Everyone knows about the front charging port, but many cars hide extra outlets in places you'd never expect. Check inside the armrest, behind the rear seats, or even inside the trunk. Some SUVs even hide a full household-style plug that can power laptops, small appliances, or even camping gear. On a road trip, these hidden outlets are lifesavers when multiple passengers need to charge. They're especially useful if you drive with kids who are glued to devices. Next time you clean your car, take a minute to explore. You might just discover a hidden power source waiting for you. 2 Built-in sunglasses holder. Right above your head, near the rear view mirror, many cars have a secret compartment designed specifically for sunglasses. It looks like a random overhead latch, but open it up and you'll find a soft-lined storage box. This prevents scratches and keeps your shades within easy reach. Drivers often ignore it, stuffing their glasses in the glove box where they rattle and get damaged. Some luxury models even add special cooling vents in the holder to keep your lenses from overheating. Have you been carrying sunglasses in the wrong spot all along? One panic button on key fob. And finally, the most overlooked feature, the panic button. Almost every key fob has one, but most drivers assume it's just for finding your car in a crowded parking lot. In reality, it's a built-in emergency alarm. Hold it down and your horn and lights will go wild, drawing attention and scaring off threats. Police even recommend keeping your fob by your bedside at night, so if there's a break-in, you can trigger your car alarm instantly. It's a feature designed to save lives, yet many people never think about it. Be honest, did you ever realize the annoying alarm button was your hidden safety tool? So how many of these 15 hidden car features did you know about? Were you surprised by some, or maybe embarrassed that you've been missing them all along? Drop your score in the comments. I bet most people won't get more than 5. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe to Engine Insight, and share this video with your car-loving friends, because one of these hidden tricks might just blow their mind too.